English for beginners. Learning English opens up a world of opportunities. Here are some common topics and areas to focus on when learning English. 1. Vocabulary. Start with basic vocabulary related to everyday life, then gradually expand to more specialized vocabulary based on your interests and needs. 2. Grammar. Understand the basic rules of English grammar, including sentence structure, verb conjugation, tenses, and parts of speech. 3. Reading. Read English texts such as books, articles, and news to improve comprehension and vocabulary. Start with simpler materials and gradually work your way up to more complex texts. 4. Writing. Practice writing in English to improve grammar, vocabulary, and overall communication skills. Start with simple sentences and gradually move on to more complex compositions. 5. Listening. Listen to English podcasts, songs, movies, and TV shows to improve listening comprehension and pronunciation. 6. Speaking. Practice speaking English regularly with native speakers or language partners to improve fluency and pronunciation. Join language exchange groups or find a tutor for personalized practice. 7. Common phrases and idioms. Learn common phrases and idioms used in everyday conversation to sound more natural and fluent. 8. Culture. Familiarize yourself with English-speaking cultures to better understand the language in its cultural context. This includes customs, traditions, and cultural nuances. 9. Language skills. Focus on developing all 4 language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Balance your practice to ensure overall proficiency. 10. Online resources. Take advantage of online resources such as language learning apps, websites, forums, and online courses to supplement your learning. Remember, consistency and practice are key to mastering any language. Set specific goals, create a study plan, and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible to make steady progress.